friends, welcome to my channel AY Kitchen. So friends, today I will be showing you how to make restaurant style butter chicken at home. So let's get straight into our recipe. So to begin with, we'll obviously need some chicken. I have here 300 grams of chicken. To this, I'm adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt according to your taste, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of red chili powder. Combine the ingredients together and leave the mixture for 30 minutes. If you do not have time, you can start frying the chicken right away. To prepare the chicken, we will now take a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Wait for the butter to heat and melt. Then we will add the marinated chicken pieces into it and saute the chicken in the butter. Cook the chicken in butter until it changes color and is done. Once the chicken turns a bit brownish, it is ready. We'll then transfer it into a bowl. Here I am using the same bowl that I used to marinate the chicken, just to save the hassle of cleaning the dish. Next we'll prepare our gravy. For this, I'm adding half a chopped tomato as well as a cup of tomato puree to the same pan that we use for frying the chicken. I'm using canned tomato puree here. I'm also adding 5 cloves of garlic as well as half onion roughly chopped. Keep in mind we are adding more tomatoes then onion for the butter chicken. We'll mix it properly and then we'll cover it and leave it to cook. Once the mixture is done, we will then grind it into a smooth paste. Here I'm using a hand blender to make the paste. If you do not have a hand blender, feel free to use a mixer. For this mixture, I use roughly chopped onions and tomatoes along with the garlic cloves because eventually we are gonna grind the mixture and there is no point of wasting the time to chop the ingredients finely. However, if you wish to, that's a personal choice. Moreover, if you have cashews, you can soak them overnight and add them to your gravy mixture along with the tomatoes in the very beginning and then grind them into a fine paste just like we are doing now. Once the paste is formed, add a tablespoon of red chili powder. You can also strain this mixture using a sieve or a plain muslin cloth. This step will make the gravy even more smooth and give it a better texture. Next, add half a cup of heavy cream or a cup of milk to the mixture. Here I am using 2 cups of milk boiled and reduced to 1 cup. Bring the gravy to a boil and then we'll add the fried chicken into it. Cook the mixture for about 5 minutes and then add a quarter tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of butter. You can also add a tablespoon of heavy cream at this step. The canned tomato puree that I used for this mixture is a bit sweet in taste. That is why I only had to add a quarter tablespoon of sugar. You might have to add a bit of extra sugar depending on how sweet your tomatoes are and how sweet you like your butter chicken. Turn the flame off and your butter chicken is ready now. It looks and tastes like the ones that you order at your favorite restaurants. If you strain the mixture, it will look even better. So guys, if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And दोस्तों, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि ये रेसिपी मैं हिंदी में भी अपलोड करूँ तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा। धन्यवाद।